generation. Where only comments getting exclamations. Try and keep my mental patient, I'm a mental patient though. I ain't hesitating, no, wish I would though. Yeah, feeling hurt. I don't know the origin, that be the worst. Let's just keep on pouring, see who feel it first. That's how whiskey and relationships and feelings work. I know how I feel. That ain't who I am. No, I've been looking back, trying to understand. I wish I could cry, but y'all made me a man. So I just wonder why I be the way I am. Therapists say I got trauma. Managers say I need commas. I just really think I need solace. Some days wish I ain't make all these promises. I go for drinks every night that I don't want. At what point am I an alcoholic? Say what you all want, but my whole childhood, bitch, I was a target, and I can't call it. When I was 11, got robbed, now my man's pop. Since then I knew I was alone. At the end of the day, knew it's only me, and I couldn't truly count on shit. That's real. Got a girl I'm so in love with, but I'm afraid to be her everything. Guess that's why I always joke about wedding rings, cause I'm afraid I'm unlovable in the long run. Broken clocks are right twice a day, so twice a day I feel present. Looking for love amongst likes and faves. Tell me how I'm supposed to find friendship. I'ma stop giving my 2 cents, no matter what, they go with consensus. I just want someone to say I see you and mean it. Is that too intensive? I ain't paid rent to my mind in a long time. I think it's time to go offline. I've been having a hard time. I ain't got no metaphor there, that's just real shit. Saying right things at the wrong time. At least I won't be better than I was. I used to think like I better be discussed. Now I want just be, I ain't settling for buzz. I know how I feel. That ain't who I am. No, I've been looking back, trying to understand. I wish I could cry, but y'all made me a man. So I just wonder why I be the way I am. Therapists say I got trauma. Managers say I need commas. I just really think I need solace. Some days wish I ain't make all these promises. I go for drinks every night that I don't want. At what point am I an alcoholic? Say what you all want, but my whole childhood, bitch, I was a target, and I can't call it.
Why you hung up on the stumbles and falls? Ain't no love without pain, I thought you wanted it all. And the truth is you ain't never gonna be done with it now. So the secret's to believing what you're struggling for. Got a lot on my mind right now, and I ain't got the time to be fine right now. If I lie down, the room starts spinning just the same. I know everything can change, but I'm high right now. We can never have perfection, but we chase it still. I get tired of your games, but I play them still. Double back on my convictions, saying may as well. No, you ain't for real, even though you can't play it well. Still a forthright kid with the foresight, chilling by the porch light, trying to get his voice right. Same white tee and 2 down fade, the boot on crazy, grew up on them 2 Andre. Every day I wake up stoned, in my house but I'm not at home. Roll the windows down, it's still so loud. We ain't done shit yet. Feeling on, we ain't done shit yet.
When I turned 15, I felt like the world started getting colder. Now I realize it's just a part of getting older. When people show you ignorance and lovers show you fickleness, the world show you wickedness and poverty and sickness. And all of the above is how they robbed us of our innocence. And now my gentle heart is hard enough to split a boulder. But on the bright side, I understand you're hurting. That's why I write these bars for those who might not have the wording to express the way they feel. So I don't give a damn if saying what I know is real somehow lessens my appeal. As long as every now and then a sentence that I spill can relieve someone's stress, cause my message helps them chill. Sometimes the best medicine for illness isn't pills, it's letting someone know that you know what they going through, cause you've been knowing how it feels just to feel alone. But you'll never be alone because I love you. If you ever need to talk, pick up the phone and hit me up. You got my number, it's 415-517-6031. We'll go out and grab a meal.
wake up stoned. In my house, but I'm not at home. Roll the windows down. It's still so loud. We ain't done shit yet. Feeling old. We ain't done shit yet. Now I don't think that I could do it no more. Called my mama and I asked her what I'm doing this for. She said the fruits of your labor, that's for you to behold. But ain't nothing worth more than being true to your soul. I saw the light, then I kissed the ground. I mean, ain't shit changed, it's all the same. It just feel way different now. So grab the gas can, baby, I'm back to being halfway gone with no way to get back. All this weight on my back, it's one way to react. There's no way that I crack. And all I really care is that I'm better than my last. I never knew a truth that was centered in the past. It's friends that I remember and I'm never getting back. Eventually that catch up and I end up getting trashed. But I ain't even mad, that's just on my mind right now. I think finally I'm fine right now. Every day I wake up stoned. In my house but I'm not at home. Roll the windows down. It's still so loud. We ain't done shit yet. Feeling old. We ain't done shit yet. We ain't done shit yet. Still so loud. Feeling old. Feeling old.
Fire in the hills, ashes on my soul. They gon' watch it burn, they gon' watch it burn slow. Color me, color me, color me, color me. Blackout, it's a blackout. Unchained and we back out. Feel like the savior to many, my people, my struggle, your soul feeling empty. I've been at it since a young nigga. This me venting, I ain't done with it. Still the coaches and they run with it. Self-hatred made y'all complacent. Pay attention what you put your faith in. Dollar bills with no black faces, just black suits and some court cases. Black fathers get thrown in cages. Go to war for an education. TV screens to manipulating. Because of color, all I saw was hatred. I ain't mad, I'm just frustrated. It's a fire in the hills, ashes on my soul. They gon' watch it burn, they gon' watch it burn slow. Color me, color me, color me, color me. It's a fire in the hills, ashes on my soul. They gon' watch it burn, they gon' watch it burn slow. Color me, color me, color me, color me. If you shit these brothers up, spread love, then we coming up. First let me talk about it all. Hung nooses, then we cut them off. This whole world like a jigsaw. You don't even love yourself, brother. You don't even wanna help, brother. What that say about you? What it say about the system we living in? The money he making is minimum. The government wanna get rid of him, so they gonna paint him as criminal. These politicians be so cynical. I could read them through their interviews. Try to paint us evil through the news. Fuck CNN, fuck ABC, fuck Fox News, fuck them all. Truth be told, they wanna kill us off. Black man falling to the law. You never catch me with the devil dancing. Past life, I was Fred Hampton. Now I'm feeling like I'm Huey Newton. If they try me, I'ma die shooting. Black God in the wrong nation. Take a bullet for our liberation. Said I'm woke and that I'm too abrasive. Dollar bill through a fucking rapist. Power be the only thing you chasing. My people, only thing I'm saving. Glowing up, I'm illuminating. Eliminating anybody want it. The end is near, no our time's coming. It's a fire in the hills, ashes on my soul. They gon' watch it burn, they gon' watch it burn slow. Color me, color me, color me, color me. Color me, color me, color me, color me.